Hello my dear kids, welcome back. Today we are going to make beautiful colorful bird. So for that we need the materials, pencil and eraser, your child friendly scissor, craft papers, Fevicol and a small size of cap for making circles. So children, I have taken few color papers. Now I will make a circle on it. So children, in this way you have to make a circle with your pencil. And give a cut to it with your scissor. So children, I have kept the circles cut out ready. So children, I have taken red circle and I will stick googly eyes. You can make eyes with white paper also. Now take orange circle cutout, light orange, and make a half fold like this. I will show you once again. You have to make it half fold like this and then one again half fold like this. Apply little Fevicol here. And stick it. In the same position, you have to keep it like this. Apply little Fevicol over here. And it will look like a beak of a bird. Can you see children? Next, we have completed with the head part. Now we'll make the body of the bird. Take another red circle and stick it like this. This is the back side. You have to stick the head part on this circle. Okay children? So babies, the body part I have pasted. Now we'll stick with the wings. For wings, you can take two circles and you can fold. So children, for wings, you have to fold it in this way in a semicircle shape. Another circle also in the same way. Now we'll stick it. Apply little Fevicol first inside. So children, will stick the wings. Apply little Fevicol over here. Right from the middle, stick it in this way. Slowly and gently hold the paper. Now the another one. Apply a little Fevicol. From the back side like this. head, body and wings are ready. Now we'll make the tail. For that you need 4 colors. You can take any color. I have taken blue, orange, green and yellow. All this you have to fold it in a semicircle shape. Now apply Fevicol here. Slowly take a Fevicol and paste it. So children, turn it back and apply little Fevicol. It is for feathers. So children, I have pasted the feathers. So you if you want you can stop it here, or if you want you can make another bigger one and you can give a beautiful background as I have given. So thank you children. Bye bye.